In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Vivaldi browser. Okay, so it's proven to be the best browser, even better than Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. So you can access it by coming to vivaldi.com over here, and you can see it over here. It's available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. You can be able to find it automatically. It will detect the operating system you're working on. I'm on Mac, so I just click here, and it is going to bring you over to this platform, and then it is going to start a download. If it doesn't start, you can click on here to download. And once you have it downloaded, I have just downloaded mine, so we can just click to install. Installation is very easy and it's straightforward, so you can just click on agree, and right now you can just drag and drop it in your applications, and your Vivaldi browser is installed. So you can come to your launchpad and just search for it, Vivaldi, and you can see it over here. Now if you have a fresh browser called Vivaldi, and you can start using it afresh. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.